Have you noticed lately that things just aren't moving the way they used to? You're eating right, or so you think, but you still feel bloated, backed up, and just plain uncomfortable. If you're over 55, this probably sounds all too familiar. But what if I told you there are natural, delicious fruits you can eat today? And tomorrow, you could wake up feeling lighter, more comfortable, and, yes, finally relieved. Today, I want to share with you 8 fruits, yes, just fruits, that are scientifically shown to help clear out old waste from your digestive tract safely, gently, and naturally. Some of them are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Stick around until the end, because fruit number 8 is what I call nature's ultimate broom. Let's begin. Number 1, apple. A medium apple with the skin contains about 4 grams of fiber. That's 14% of your daily needs. The skin contains pectin, a special fiber that ferments in your gut and promotes movement. The flesh adds bulk, helping things move along. But here's the key, you need to eat the skin. Peeled apples or applesauce just won't cut it. Enjoy 1 medium apple daily, raw and washed. You'll often feel the difference within 24 to 72 hours. Number 2, pear. A medium pear gives you about 6 grams of fiber, more than 20% of your daily goal. Pears contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, plus natural sorbitol and fructose, which draw water into your intestines and help soften stool. Eat the pear with the skin on. 1 a day can get things moving within a day or 2. Number 3, blackberries. 1 cup delivers 8 grams of fiber. That's nearly a third of your daily requirement. They're rich in water, low in sugar, and contain anthocyanins that reduce gut inflammation. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, fresh or frozen. They work just the same. Number 4, dragon fruit. 1 medium dragon fruit offers almost 5 grams of fiber and is full of water. It also contains prebiotic compounds that feed good bacteria in your gut. It's mild in flavor and rarely causes upset. Just cut and scoop, or add to smoothies. Number 5, papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and ease digestion. 1 cup provides about 5 grams of fiber. It's hydrating, soothing, and great when eaten in the morning on an empty stomach. Number 6, figs. Fresh or dried. Figs are powerful. Dried figs are more concentrated. Just 4 of them give you around 4 grams of fiber. They contain pectin, an enzyme that aids digestion, and they're often better tolerated than other high-fiber foods. Enjoy 2 to 3 fresh figs, or 3 to 4 dried figs daily. Add them to oatmeal or yogurt for extra effect. Number 7, kiwi. Each kiwi gives you 2 grams of fiber and a unique enzyme called actinidin that helps with protein digestion. Studies show 2 kiwis a day can significantly improve regularity without gas or bloating. You can eat them peeled or with the skin. Just wash well. Number 8, prunes. This is the champion. Prunes offer fiber, sorbitol, and polyphenols all working together. 5 to 6 prunes a day often bring relief in under 24 hours. Soak them in warm water if needed, and drink plenty of fluids to help them work properly. Now, a few quick tips. Drink plenty of water, at least 8 cups a day. Start slowly if you're new to fiber, 1 or 2 fruits at first. Be consistent. These fruits support long-term health, not just quick fixes. Try eating them before meals to help your digestive rhythm. And if your symptoms last longer than a week, or get worse, always check with a doctor. These fruits don't just help with relief. They help restore your body's natural rhythm. And that means less bloating, more energy, and better well-being. So, which one will you try first? Comment below with the number and name of your choice. For example, 8 prunes. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more natural health tips. Your health is your greatest wealth. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.